So, in this episode, with my adventures with one of my favorite, if not the favorite camera, which is the Minolta Dynax 7xi. So, in this series, actually, this camera I purchased last weekend. So, this is my second copy. And I also have this excellent book. However, this is Heiner Henninge's Minolta Dynax 7xi, and it has a chapter about a Panorama adapter set. And this chapter describes an interesting feature, an adapter, how it can be installed, and a couple of instructions and recommendations how to use it. It is written in German, but then if you are not completely if you really want to have a good book and a fan of Minoltas, there is one reason to learn some German is to be able to understand this book, at least to read some of the sections. Anyhow, so this video is about this tool. So when I checked that this is available, then this is the adapter set. It was available. It's not cheap. It wasn't cheap, but it wasn't that very expensive. I bought it off eBay Germany, and what is interesting that this box comes with a tool. This is a tool. This is a more or less a kind of installation, but rather than installation, I'd say a removal tool. The way it works, as you have seen, here is actually the adapter itself. This is the Panorama adapter. Oops. Actually, it's delicate, but it's not that fragile. Let me just show if my camera can focus it. And then the way you can install it, quite straightforward. For the installation, I don't think you need it. You need this tool. But of course, it could be very useful. So the way you should install it here, this tool has pins, and then this is the upper part. So here I just place this holder into the pins. Here you go. Okay, just in preparation. You should open the camera back, like so, and then install this Panorama adapter. So the way it works is that I gently okay, it's very important that when you press it, and if you properly install, then the small springs are squeezed, and with this squeezed position you place the holder like so. So the upper part is clearly and easily recognizable, and then just keeping it squeezed, I try to release it, and if you are lucky, this adapter will fit perfectly in this location. And then if you want to remove it, the way you can do it, just again use this tool, and then these are the reason you need it, because it's impossible to get it out from this position. So without this tool you won't be able to remove it. Just place it back like so. Actually, this is very straightforward. And then when it is in place, just again squeeze these buttons on the side, and here you go. It's easy to remove. Back again, and then just release it, and here you go. So this is really straightforward. And then the next step is going to be to load film into this camera. I have a expired Kodak Gold 200 24, I think this is 24, yes, 24 exposure, and I'm going to install it. Expired film, that's cool. If you are really a hardcore analog photographer, and if you don't use expired film, that you are not taken seriously, the rest of the community. So definitely expired film is in big demand. In my area. So here you go. I think loading this film here is quite straightforward, because that's only thing you should know make is just to make sure that the film is there. And let's just close it, and when I am switching it on, here you go, it recognized immediately that it was film 200, and then it automatically jumped to position number 1. And also I have the card, and this card, which I purchased for this camera too, this seems to be a completely new card. It was unused, so not a single detail is available. So this card is totally fresh. Okay, let me see. Possibly I cannot show it to you, but let me just see if I can see any panorama in this camera, the way I love to see. Card back. Yeah, cool. So my friends, what I can say, that I don't know how this camera was able to do it. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. No, I cannot use this. But anyway, believe me, what I can see, that immediately a panorama guideline is displayed on my screen, which shows that what is the panorama section. So it's brilliant. So 7xi, when you install this adapter, it works automatically with the 7xi in panorama mode. Yeah, yes, brilliant, my friends. So actually that was my experience. When I'm done with the roll of this film, I'm going to give a follow-up video about the results and how it worked. But so far so good.